Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you a homemade sour cream recipe. To a mason jar, add 1 cup of heavy cream and 2 tablespoons of buttermilk. Place the lid back on the mason jar, give it a good shake. Replace the lid with something breathable such as a coffee filter. Store your mixture for 24 hours in a warm place. If you don't have a warm place, you can also store it in a thermal bag. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And there you have it, sour cream.